In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best countertop dishwashers. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best countertop dishwashers. Number 5, Farberware Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Compact, portable, and powerful, the Farberware Portable Countertop Dishwasher is a perfect pick for those who need an efficient and space-saving dishwashing solution. This mini dishwasher features a built-in 5-liter water tank, so you can use it anywhere without the need for a direct water connection. It's perfect for small kitchens, RVs, and even outdoor use. Despite its compact size, it can accommodate 12-inch dishes, making it one of the most spacious options in its category. What makes this model stand out is its 5 versatile wash cycles, including baby care, glass, and fruit wash, ensuring everything from delicate glassware to baby bottles is thoroughly sanitized. It also features a quick 40-minute wash cycle, so you can have sparkling clean dishes in no time. The user-friendly LED display and easy water refilling system make operation effortless. If you need a convenient, portable, and efficient dishwasher, the Farberware Countertop Dishwasher is a fantastic addition to any home. Number 4, Black+Decker Compact Countertop Dishwasher. For those who need power and versatility, the Black+Decker Compact Countertop Dishwasher is a game changer. With 7 superior wash cycles, including intensive, eco, glass, and rapid, this dishwasher gives you complete control over how your dishes are cleaned. It features an easy-to-use LED display with electronic touch controls, allowing you to set wash cycles, check remaining time, and even delay start times. The child lock function ensures safety in family households, making it a great option for homes with kids. Capacity is another highlight. This dishwasher fits up to 6 place settings, including plates, bowls, cups, wine glasses, and utensils. The stainless steel interior guarantees durability and efficient cleaning, while the Quick Connect system makes installation effortless. At just 46.2 pounds, it can easily be moved and stored when not in use. If you're looking for a trusted, high-performance dishwasher from a well-known brand, the Black+Decker delivers in every way. Number 3, Hava Countertop Dishwasher. If you're in search of a portable and compact dishwasher that delivers high performance, the Hava Countertop Dishwasher is an excellent pick. Featuring a 5-liter built-in water tank, you can set it up anywhere without a direct water hookup. Perfect for small apartments, dorms, RVs, and campers. Despite its compact frame, it has an impressive capacity of 4 place settings and can fit up to 11-inch dishes at an angle. With 6 wash programs, including baby care and heavy wash, this machine can handle everything from delicate glassware to heavily soiled pots and pans. Energy efficiency is another strong suit of the Hava dishwasher, consuming only 5 liters of water per cycle, 75% less than hand washing. The 360-degree dual spray with 14 water ports ensures every dish is thoroughly cleaned, and the 167-degree Fahrenheit baby care mode is perfect for sanitizing baby bottles. Additionally, the 60-minute hot air drying feature and 72-hour automatic ventilation prevent odors and moisture buildup. Whether you're looking for a portable, energy-efficient, and thorough cleaning solution, the Hava Countertop Dishwasher is a fantastic investment. Number 2, Danby DDW631SDB Countertop Dishwasher. The Danby DDW631SDB Countertop Dishwasher is an energy-efficient powerhouse that fits seamlessly into your kitchen setup. With 6 place settings and a silverware basket, it provides plenty of space to clean up after daily meals. It's designed to be compatible with most kitchen faucets, so installation is a breeze. What really sets this model apart is its 8 wash cycles, including eco, baby bottle, and heavy wash, giving you a cycle for every type of mess. Plus, it uses just 3.1 gallons per cycle, helping you save water and lower your utility bills without compromising performance. This stainless steel interior dishwasher is built to last, and the redesigned spray arm and improved filtration system make sure every dish is thoroughly cleaned. The LED display and delay start option let you schedule washes at your convenience, whether it's 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours in advance. And with a quiet 54 decibel operation, it won't disrupt your home environment. If you need an efficient, reliable, and easy-to-use countertop dishwasher that keeps up with your lifestyle, the Danby DDW631SDB is a fantastic choice. Number 1. Comfy Countertop Dishwasher. If you're looking for a dishwasher that gives you total flexibility, the Comfy Portable Countertop Dishwasher is the perfect choice. With its built-in 5-liter water tank, there's no need for a hookup, meaning you can place it anywhere that's convenient, whether in an RV, dorm, or even on a boat. Its ultra-compact design still manages to hold 30-plus items at once, making it ideal for small spaces without sacrificing capacity. With 6 wash programs, including steam and fruit wash, this machine ensures a thorough clean for everything from delicate glassware to baby bottles. Plus, with 192 degrees Fahrenheit high-temp hygiene washing, you can trust that your dishes come out not just clean, but completely sanitized. What makes this unit stand out is its extra drying and air refresh function, which eliminates moisture and odors, keeping your dishes fresh and dry for longer. The 360-degree dual spray system ensures even stubborn food residue is washed away, leaving every dish spotless. You can even connect it directly to a faucet if you prefer, giving you even more flexibility. Whether you're in a tiny apartment or always on the move, this comfy dishwasher is an effortless way to take the hassle out of doing dishes. So there you have it, the top 5 best countertop dishwashers to make your life easier. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.